All right. Today is January 1, 2024, and it's the first day of the year 2024. And last night was not really so happy for me. And I'm gonna go to work today. And maybe it's still holiday. I think it's, because it feels like it's not a traffic day. We shall find out. Well, I'm still existing, doing the same routine. All right then. We'll see you later on. So far this is the back roads from where I live, and as you can see, like, there's no cars, only a few cars. So it seems like still holiday, January 1. I think usually after December 31st, January 1, I think those 2 days are holiday. And it's not traffic. Then maybe on the next day or January 3, oh, everything's back to normal. It's gonna be traffic again, lots of cars. Alright. So green light right now. I'm about to enter the freeway. And headed to work. January 1st, 2024, first day of the year 2024, and this is the freeway. It seems like, it's not that traffic. Yeah, not too many cars. Probably the next day, January 2, it's gonna be back to normal and everything's gonna be, traffic again. Alright, that thing is off, that the traffic light for entering the freeway. Usually I am in the third lane right now. Usually I go to the first lane over there, the express lane, because it's much faster. But I'm cruising here in the third lane, and since it's January 1st, 2024, it's not too traffic. Still holiday. Yeah, I wish the road is always like this. Not too traffic. I mean, if every day is like this, it's gonna be really, really beautiful. Always smooth. Probably in the states that had less population, probably the right. I just entered the toll bridge. I got a motorcycle. All right. As usual, driving 73 miles an hour. A very sunny day, sunny and bright. Very quiet. Let me change lane. I'm seeing lots of crazy over here. Driving like it's the end of the world. They're driving so fast. I don't know if the clip's gonna make it before the bridge. I don't know if it's still recording right now. It's only 1 minute per clip. So that's the bridge. driving the bridge right now. Monday and Tuesday I always drive on this bridge for the last 19 months. To go to my big tech Palo Alto job. Swamp over there. I don't know if the camera can see it. No, that's the sea, I think. It's not a swamp. It looks like it's very smoky too, or like cloudy, but it's not cloudy. It's sunny. Maybe that's a pollution or smoke. What a beautiful day today. It was sad last night, but it's a beautiful day today. I don't know what things will unfold in this. Alright, I arrived in my job site. There was a bicycle. So it's holiday today. Look at that, only few cars. And there's only few cars means that there's not much work, which I like, which I love, So probably the next day or January 3 maybe, it's gonna be very, very busy with lots of cars, most likely. Alright, another security person over there. It's okay, do not greet him. I don't know if I'm still recording, but yeah, I just arrived at work. January 1, 2024, first day, and my coworkers are already here. And me, as always, 5 to 6 minutes before the work start. So I live far away from here, 25 miles. Time to turn off the adaptive cruise control. Wait, then let's see how much battery I have. Look at this. Today is January 2, 2024. And you can see the parking is full. So that's the difference between, the holiday when it's empty. Now it's full means lots of work.